Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Live Show. I'm your girl, Lil Cabronas, Dragon All Star and the Wheels of Steel, DJ Rick, Breads, Bad One, 5Q, anywhere in the world, my brother, them one a day. Big up on yourself. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by The Granaries, that is located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon, and you can go over to their Instagram page for more details for all their weekly events. That's the place to be. Every single week, there's something there for everybody. Yeah?
Yeah, especially Friday.
We'll get the vibes. You know the vibes. We'll get down into it a little later on. What go on with you, my G?
Yeah, I'm good. It's a kind of taxi-turvy week, but yeah, I'm good.
And it's only Tuesday.
It's only Jesus Christ.
It's only Tuesday.
That's adult life for you.
Yeah, being an adult. A lot has been happening in the UK, in Jamaica, around the world. So shall we start with the highlight of Rebel Salute 2023?
Yeah, we do a quick roundup of Rebel Salute.
Yes.
Remember, people, I bag a thing for talk this evening, but I was take it from Jamaica. We, do a roundup.
Yes.
Night one and night few.
Yes. Basically, Rebel Salute 2023 took place on the 20th and the 21st of this month, just last weekend, and we saw quite a number of high-end performances, great performances from the not so known artists to the middle tier to the top tier artists them. And I was very, very proud of this year's staging because it brought an opportunity for one of our own UK dancehall artists, Higher P,
big up Higher P,
touched the Rebel Salute stage, and he did a wonderful performance. I enjoyed watching Higher P's performance, and the crowd showed appreciation for his music. So give thanks, Higher P.
That man sure say UK we need to support our own more. You see me? Me not see nobody post no clippings and them something there in general.
We didn't post any clippings.
We not post none, but yeah,
but he did an extremely great job.
Yeah, but Higher P, big up yourself, cause me watch the performance and it
was nice. I enjoyed it.
And I saw me know I get older and see when me start like the Rebel Salute show them more than the Sting and the Sunfest them.
You getting old, bro.
Like some me know say I get old. The kind of nice part.
Yeah.
Because them show you can come
mellow.
Get your money's worth.
Yeah.
Like you can look out for your performance. You know, look out for a man screaming at the mic and
run up and down
and go on.
And I mean the other aspects of Rebel Salute, not only the stage performances, but also the small businesses that forward out and they get the support from the clothing brands to food to other merchandise.
Speaking about that, like I see a display with some young man displaying the
slavery thing
in chains. I didn't really like that.
I guess I didn't read.
Never like that.
But we have to show a part of our history.
Yeah, part of history.
It's a part of our history, and not everything out there you're gonna like. So
I don't like it.
I mean, too bad. But it showed a part of our history.
I took a big up, Don't know.
Showed a part of our history, and we give thanks for the various aspects of Rebel Salute. Again, High P, big up yourself. We want to see more of our UK artists on our Jamaican platforms. Showcasing the talent, you see me?
I remember say whole of talent in the UK. Enough talent. They have enough. So nothing like that where me see the UK arts them get rotation like. That's good. That goes for the DJs them as well, And the promoters them like big up face as well. You don't know Brick Jam coming up. They how much staging? Say the 10th?
I think is that a 10th year
10th or the 12th?
We can find out.
Yeah. I don't remember the quite number, but people look out for that one day. You know what that one day is all about. In March.
Yes,
so
it's in March.
You can go look out for that one day. Remember 3 days have fun. Back party down at Mobile.
Before we touch off for Rebel Salute, can we give a shout out to Joshy and his performance as well, please?
Yeah, man, big up Joshy.
I don't know, did you get to watch all of it, or you just
never watch all like watch most side. Watch a little nice bit them.
All of it was nice, but anyways, Joshy gave a very intense and very high performance to the point where Muta Baruko,
I'm surprised me for a young youth.
He did a really, really great job.
Wanna know when they come on to me and they will Joshy Saga, that's something they go. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
I always say the youth get too much glory for the work when put in,
but he has been working.
He's proving his value now by going on some of them big stage and putting a big performance.
Yes.
So, you have to look on Joshy difference and say,
And it was heartfelt. You can see that it was heartfelt.
I connect with the crowds and him a will something. You see me?
Yeah.
But let's do a roundup of the show. Which performance you think to you was the best performance throughout the show for you?
You know, when it comes to Rebel Salute, you can't ask me a question like that.
May I ask?
Can I give you top 3?
No, just one.
One.
Natural mistake, big up in it. You know what the thing go.
Oh, that's kind of hard for me, bro. That's really, really hard. Can I give you 3?
1. Top 2. 2. Top 2.
Cableton and Joshy.
Cableton and Joshy?
Yeah. I want to say more because Rebel Salute is my show.
If we have got 2 picking, like, to be honest, like, the way me see the connection with the crowd and something, like, the reason why me put Joshy up there, me say Joshy and Beanie Man.
Yes,
because at the end of the day,
was good.
me have to give Joshy forward as a new young forwarding artist.
Yes, yeah.
Him come and him get a great response from the crowd. But Beanie Man, king of dancehall, man.
Show from outfit as per usual, him always dapper.
You know, a class from big cheer pan stage to
obviously.
the outfit. People them say him have sore foot and I mean say so.
Stop it.
Them say Beanie Man have one sore foot. That's why.
But
that's why
remember
I'm having cheer pan the stage. You know them say him have. Remember from where they them say him drop off of the bike, them say foot did a sore a little bit.
And he was told that he should have been resting.
But that's why him carry the cheer pan stage. You see me?
Yes.
So yeah, I one of them thing there.
But
but him get up and him work on his sore foot a little bit. Then him, you know, him kind of kick back because you don't know him can't walk up his sore foot too much.
And as per usual.
But big up Beanie Man that actor, you know. Zaga.
Female. We haven't mentioned any females. Queen Africa always forward out and give a very, very great performance.
Big up Queen Africa. All right, talk about the female them because I have a pressing topic for touch pan as well.
So Queen Africa touched the stage. There's a young artist by the name of Yeza. Hopefully I'm pronouncing her name properly. I liked her performance. She forward out and she did with the stage away. I did like it. And I don't know if you guys know, Heavyweight Rockers is a group that I follow. And I liked their performance.
I go talk about the African selector to him. Go out with a bag of things down there.
As well as Stoneboy from Africa performed as well.
The African selector, him go out with a bag of things. The man make a talk about Usain Bolt or them chap Usain Bolt. And you know, and drop the little valley there. Down there in frenzy. So big up the African there, you know.
Yes.
Goes alright. But anyway, I could talk about next thing. Big up Actian. Actian did a wonderful performance. But speaking of Actian, we have to touch upon this topic. Because I see anybody know DJ Amber from IRFM?
Yes.
You know, say back in the days.
They were a thing.
She did say, Ima Actian da dogo. Actian say, not never go so.
Not never go so, or it was a one joke.
Actian say, not never go so. Well, I know man, me give a story now, because I did on the ground them time there.
Okay.
Actian say, not never go so. See?
Yes,
so, you know, out of that little thing, where go on, Amber fell pregnant.
Yes.
And you know, she get a nice,
daughter.
beautiful young daughter.
Yes.
Out of that, Actian denied the picnic.
Yes.
Actian say I never feel picnic.
Okay.
So you see the whole dirty father thing when I paint the picture.
Yes.
But now, me see a Rebel Salute, me see Amber post a picture with Actian and her. Say, oh, it was so...
Malibu was at Rebel Salute to see her daddy perform and share some happy moments together.
So me like, so Actian take her now after him did out public and say I no feel picnic.
So...
But Actian, you not hold no Remsal Rasta, man. I just ask what I go on. Yo, hold on. I just ask what I go on.
So do you think he should publicly forward out and say, yo, further to the outburst I made a couple years ago,
but
this is the situation.
Think about, no.
We've done a DNA test.
Me like say him man up and
accept
him
it.
act together.
Right,
you know?
right.
Because anywhere that a child concerned, it's alwall kind of a hard feel moment when you see them things happen. So we just say, yo, I kind of like that. But at the end of the day, Actian, you did fuck up. Because you know, say if you fuck a girl nap without boots, and them ball pregnant by you just have to do what you're doing until you can take a DNA, you know.
Yeah.
Because if you, as a man, say enough for your youth, remember that youth will always look by your way and say, yo, can you disown me at one point?
But what
especially if your mother decide to poison that child mind against the father.
You. What so do you think he could have said, I'm not gonna answer, I'm not gonna say that the child is mine or not mine before him do a DNA test, you think him should have waited and instead of doing it the way he did it?
No,
Do you think that would have been the proper way to do it?
Right now, if a girl say me breed her, I just have to go and work with it until the baby born and I get a DNA, you know.
That is it.
I just have to go and work with it. But
Bryce, what would you have done? We are look on Dragon for.
We are look on me.
Well,
may I ask, what would you have done if you were in that situation?
If you work without the condom, you enter the competition.
So
You have in it for win it.
okay.
God, Brazil look like a pair of dog, you go.
Oh my god.
No, dog.
I
Yeah,
cannot.
I don't know,
I cannot manage.
I perform safe
cannot.
sex, actually.
You perform or you practice.
No, hold on there. Keep that conversation there over there. You know what? Further on in the blood clan news, cause no. I don't like what I go on. I don't like what I go on.
Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna talk choppings.
Yeah.
We spoke about it we never got in depth last week. Coming on, want to get no lie.
Yeah.
We
Hold on
didn't.
there. Before you start the formal story, you know, a few months ago, and thing me that say blood clot. When I go to Jamaica, I look like me go buy 2 size 5.5 slippers and thing, make it whole heel back in half.
Why?
You know? And a lotion and thing. I ask them and be a polo, can get to a young girl and make them think me a chopper, but no, me I find out say no. I not chopper them there. Them man they a chop yard and weed walk around them for look. No, a real thing. Them a pray and say, bumbo clad, the real chopper them are the man them, you know. Or dress up in the white color them and the red tie and you know. And the jacket suit them I go sit down in under AC every day. And that's what them say. Some of the big nerdy girl them wear the big glass them and drive, they underfit them. And them a chop everybody.
Yeah. So along that lines, if no one knows just yet, if you haven't been following the news, there is a company in Jamaica called SSL, which is like a stocks and exchange company. Basically, there are a number of people who have accounts with them, including that of Usain Bolt, who have been robbed of millions of dollars from their accounts. And it has made it to the international news, especially along the lines of Usain Bolt's money being missing. And multiple updates have forwarded out that one of the managers or whoever didn't know about the discrepancies happening within the company, that he didn't know that Usain Bolt was a client of theirs. A whole heap of bag of things.
No, hold on there. Because I know say nobody develop on the story from this angle. All the blood clot make you have $12 million in the bank. And it come like say lose money, everybody have access to it. All their money there in their investment, stocks and holding company there, and property management and bag of things to it. How him having money in there so loose that the manager have access, the old manager, him, the broker,
The wealth advisor.
The wealth advisor. It's like it come like about 6 money have
access to
free range of that money there.
And so the latest updates on that forwarded out about 5 hours ago. Abka Fitz-Henley is a journalist in Jamaica, and he basically shared that the majority of withdrawals from the account of the company, Welgen LLC, which Usain Bolt used to invest funds in Stocks and Securities Limited, which is SSL, were done under the name and purported signature of an ex-member of Bolt's team. A source close to the probe has exclusively revealed. It continues to say it's not immediately clear if the former member's signature was forged or whether the individual actually conducted the withdrawals between 2012 and 2017. Investigators are examining a transfer from the Welgen LLC.
Hold on there. Pause 1 minute. From 2012 to 2017. So, I say you're rich and have our money one part. So, look at it from
not
2012.
paying attention.
Because it make money.
But just wonder if me can have, me different now. If me have even £100 of a Barclays Bank.
Watch it.
Every day I go on my phone and look if it's still there,
But the question is this year, like, you must throw 12 or 10 million over there, as they say, I just left it up.
But then again, you have a team, you have a set of people that you put your trust into to,
Someone have to enjoy.
Hold on, no. I'm not sure what's happening with NJ, but apparently he's no longer part of the team. But I'm saying you have entrusted certain people within your team to deal with your finances or with this investment portfolio for you. Like, you are not going to, especially if you've built relationships with them over the years and you are as close as they have you would. Well, probably the way how it was done is that it was covered up and he didn't see the discrepancies before it was brought to light. No. And it has reached to the point where FBI support is being brought in.
What FBI are doing in a Jamaican project?
I'm just
bringing experts from abroad.
The FBI experts, they're being brought in to do investigations in this matter. So
they have jurisdiction in Jamaica.
I don't.
They can get temporary jurisdiction from the government, bro.
So why Jamaica love bring foreigner?
No, you have to understand. Say, I think some people is US based as well.
Well, I know, man. I saw Jamaica don't. And Andrew and all of them love going like them. We no can't do look up maths.
It's not done. Tell you where going. The money you get chopped here is not from the ghetto youth them.
Hold on, man. You can't find the breadcrumbs.
Wait, let Bruce finish.
It's a proper, we call it white collar crime. I mean, so you know, say them money, them cross eyes and that they teach differently.
Right.
No, but hold on, the birds. When you come on to things like this, especially bank transfer or any withdrawal of money, is always leave a paper trace.
And that is what that's
so. Anybody who is big in accounts or have a good understanding of them thing there, suppose you can find the breadcrumbs. Because I mean, you say the man has sent go to no shell company, account. You know, the shell account are them with an offshore account and them fuck with it. And I bounce the money from Switzerland and Zurich and them fucker place there and something. Me no yes none of that go on. And just somebody go in an account and draw it out. So it must be a little tracker when who and when dry money.
The man them do a legit transaction with the money, so them I put somewhere. I just never return.
But then based off that, statements would have been created to look as if like everything is all right in his account. So I'm not really them with it.
So probably when them do the chopping there, then basically I do it while I'm a transaction. So him now miss that transaction there. You see me?
And that is that.
But to be fair, look on the list here, enough more people on the list here get chopped here. And them literally come from America as well. And them invest a lot of money.
Yeah, into the country.
No, not country.
I mean, into
where them are do.
Yeah, definitely.
But two both are the brand name panelists. So them everybody just relax away, because if you get back free money,
right,
they'll get back for them one too. So that though, but sure.
Yeah, but
it is what
everybody down there go like say, yo, them bright and this and the whole blood clot, this and that. But yo, it seem like say it's pure blood clot because you know. If you know down there, seeing, and you are in a financial company or anything like that, seeing, and you make somebody swindle the money like that, seeing, and it take you, what year now, 2017, at the last time them said them dipping, it take you 6 years for you to say something abnormal going on like that. Every blood clot body for go to jail.
Probably from 2017 to now, the match I
try what? And that kept quiet.
And
so?
No, this is how we go on, I think. Them I try to get them money back and such things there. And then man just get vexed and I say, we'll go public because look on it now.
You're not getting the results that you want.
Look on it now, in the last 10 days, there's more result coming from exposure than when them I try to do it in-house.
Yeah.
Because the company probably didn't even do it. It just people in the company just do them thing. So obviously the company I forget blame because of them come from.
And then with that now, we have seen a woman, Jean Panton, whose name has been very, very prominent in the news in relation to the swindling of other accounts. So basically
the one who are going like cripple.
Bro.
So wait.
Mira Umbre say, look on this young green woman.
So basically what was happening based on this statement that she put out, it was 6 pages, the PDF document that we got access to. She's been employed to the SSL company for 25 years from 1997. And she was responsible for dealing with any client issues and acted as a wealth advisor. Yeah. So she explained that in or around 2010, her father was diagnosed with cancer, and she was primarily responsible for her parents' care and finances. He had to go away for treatment, and he wasn't employed at that time. At that point, she thought about thought about borrowing money from the client's account and putting it back when she got a chance to. Never really work out. 3 years later, after her father's treatment, he died. She also borrowed money from the client's account to cover the funeral expenses after he died.
Okay,
What?
Stop say borrow money, man. They never ask both and say, lend me a thing.
I'm reading
this.
Money,
sir,
excuse me, Mr. Dragon. I'm reading the statement that she provided. I know me I say I went up on the paper.
We are wonder, yeah. Firstly, the cancer thing. That's so much money until dead. No, it's funny.
But I mean, let's not make joke of people's cancer.
No. And I'm illness. And I'm illness. A fair explanation. She has
her perspective.
Make we start now. So 3 years of treatment, and him dead at the end.
Yes.
Then the burial now. Remember I said she not stop at the treatment, you know.
No, she went
stop
on
at the
to
burial.
The girl wicked has a big funeral.
So question, I guarantee you, what cost US money so much for bury one person?
Well, the story continues because after that episode, her brother attempted to kill her mother and he was committed to a home and she had to cover his expenses. Her financial burden increased during the 2019 pandemic and the income from SSL had decreased. She was unable to repay the funds and continued to take funds for various purposes. So after the funeral, after the treatment, after the funeral, after putting her brother in a home, like pandemic forward and the car.
Should I put him in a boardhouse?
You know, and things got harder and harder and she never get to pay back the money. So, yeah. I read the statement. It's not me. It's the statement that she provided.
Some of these things are slightly seen because right now I feel like say them have this woman if they do a little plea bargain. If she call some name because you know. Me not see them angler like criminal. What? Remember she said Jamaica are two different law down there, you know?
Bro, I said
make her one get to you, broke one shop and thief, two last go and one pack of crackers.
You know,
watch your police
up in a truck.
I want blood like 6 come out you know, going in one wheelchair, you know?
Yo, dog.
One X6.
Dog.
I mean, I say Jamaica police force have no X6 I drive down there. One X6 should come out.
You're gonna fart.
So I'm just showing you.
Where the youth them at the street chop. You see what document she make a man walk to the airport with that chain gang.
Yeah.
And them take them and say, yeah, them a criminal with the worst kind. Because they rob from American or wherever they rob from old people. And everybody that say, yes, them boy, they're wicked. But see, I feel they come out and umbrella skit him and say, yo, them all embarrassed. Say, I want to feed them people do it.
Get catch.
And even worse, get catch. Well, it's so like, she been shifting money all along. And I reap her body. But then what catch her, COVID kick in.
Yeah, because so she never able to cover it.
She probably have the money and can't put it back because there is no transaction going on. So she said, blood clot, what am I going to do now? So in a 2-year board and I'm us. So we check my portfolio. Boom, data go on. And that at me now.
And then she detailed how it is that she took the money out. And for one person, she took $45,000 US. For another, and it varies, 45,000. 65,000, and this is US. 80,000, 262,000, 100,000, 268,000, 560,000. Then when we move forward over to the Jamaican folder, 880,000, 2.5 mil, 9.3 mil, 14.5 mil, 10 mil, 6 mil, 15.
Stop this, stop this.
That's 50.
Stop this, stop this. You don't come like me like ask you. them take it up. As you take it up, me notice. Because you know, they look at $2 million you buy one ask you for. As you take up, you're missing. You see them are people are rich people. Them not realize say your money gone. But anyway, further notice, Brett.
You know what?
I'm just saying, hold on there. The whole Jamaican banking system is set up as a scam from day one.
Yes, Lisa Anna spoke about it.
We need to talk about this because watch you now. Yes. Imagine your giant NCB bank, seeing?
And the amount of
you get one little work. Remember say you need a bank account to get your pay in, seeing?
Yep.
You get your pay in at the bank a charge if you keep your money over there.
Yes.
Remember every month the bank take out something out if you keep your money, seeing?
Yes.
When you get your pay, even if you decide say you know why bank keep the money, If you go draw it out of the bank, them charge if you take your blood clot money.
Before you even
draw out your money,
before you even
pay.
reach
So
there,
you nah get whatever you work for. So the banking system at Jamaica is already a scam.
But before you even reach there, how do you have to open a bank account? That in and of itself is like pulling teeth. You forget 2 signature from JP
and this.
You forget this, you forget that. So it's the initial process of creating a bank account in Jamaica is absolute. Like
them and make sure they match up the right
bad
person.
Man, that's why I'm telling you, bro, got them. Pay fuck with them a go on. Cause watch you now. You see how they make it easy for you get 15 years now a prison. As you then catch you with watch you now. Gun. Them a give them on them 15
true after
year.
That. That's so true.
Quick. And there's no alternative. That's why I'm telling you what do you say, yo. That now rehabilitate nobody or now hinder nobody from doing crime. Only thing that put in a youth their mind, say, if me have a gun and police stop me a shoot out, either me kill him or him kill me. So I don't feel like that's real or that will fix the crime problem. We need to start target. Yeah, them a try a thing when I right trying. Because here one now, they too out of touch with society. Because for them pitney them have them high class friend and them sitting there. For them pitney now go through the blood clot problem and say, oh, more want TR and more on this sign. I mean, I know no JP, man. And you go all both.
I try to get the assistance.
When you go on JP, man, remember you want one passport. See? You got a passport office. Remember you have to pay JP, you know, before you write anything on the paper, you know.
$1,000 a signature.
So that me a bumbo clock. So the system don't set up a rig against the lower class people.
You know what? There's like 99.9% poor people. That doesn't work. Because remember, you know, you see when time, you see them people now, you see if man that go up in a film area and do all of the crime them, all of a sudden Jamaica crime make eradicate because you hear a man call, yo, bro, God, hear me and say, I'm not sponsor next election, you know, if you fix that problem, yeah. If you go straight to Jamaica, I tell you before, and drive a certain vehicle, as you reach there, you see archive. Or a police just randomly turn up.
I not even said that. But watch I know. Look how Jamaican love bumbo clock tours and love foreign things. See? Let me show you how fuck up is. The government of Jamaica don't have one resort. Them not own no tourist attraction.
Everything is
so the bumbo clock and all of them are sitting there and this is how the main bread and butter.
Yeah, because it's cheaper for them take the cream off the top and call it and live.
So you tell me now, if you're not creating opportunity and job for the young youth now, what do you them a cost and I say, oh, brain drain because everybody as them get 1 degree them a go foreign.
I mean, there's no opportunities for them to
get
grow
one
in the
Jamaica degree and go to one bank teller. And that's why the bank teller them a chop because if me is a bank teller and the little man where doing little hosting and in chopping is more better off than me, then me have to chop. Because if you think about it now,
imagine a bank here.
If you have your degree, see? And you say, parents then spend one nice piece of money send me go UA or UTech or you know. Then look at university are your choice. You get one little, you know them spend a little food for you if you go learn.
Yeah.
You come out of school now, when you look down a hotel, down a real front decks. The blood clot over Portmore call center. What you do with your life, brother?
That's true.
Think about it. Because there's no opportunity.
Leave the country.
It's being created for the young youth them.
Remember the youth say if they kick off with the owner and when triple show a run where he make and tip here, as they say, a man have a degree don't say that. If not gonna want to kill people because he must say, yo, the man I make that off a tip. And
Triplex can't get a rundown because Triplex never work in a hotel.
No, listen, the man have a conversation.
He spoke to the gentleman. He's giving you the perspective.
He might tell you. Basically, him same get what? Same get 20,000 a week, yeah?
Yes.
But him can go home with all 50,000 a week with tip.
Right.
So he must say, basically with tip, when him done ship, when him get back, he might make all 20,000 a month apart from him pay.
Right.
So what may I say this here? You as a man are fully educated and a man in a sense that's fully done. Not really done, but
the terminology, we know what it means, right?
And he might make more than you. I say you have a bad mind.
Because that's why, as I said, that's why the police them at Jamaica did the young youth them sucker. You know why? Bad mind. Remember, I don't know for the police them seeing?
Nah, make so much.
As a police officer, they might make them 150,000 a month.
Before tax.
Seeing? 150,000 a month at Jamaica, you can't, you know. The lower tier chopper make more than that. Think boy. See? The lower tier man, we have a little thing a go on or a hotel worker. We make a tip and a thing a go on. It might more than that. So while a man can buy one like Axio, come and dance and floss and thing, as a police you can't do that. So here we are doing here. Bad mind them. You start see the youth them a party and you start pre them. You start when you are
terrorize them.
You stop them and angle them somewhere because you say all them boy they are pussy and this and that. You see if them not friend you and spend it. At them since they go on Jamaica, that's why I tell you, say, yo,
the police.
I just bad mind.
Lead to the police them to start doing lawful stuff. So when them stop you, man say right or left. But you personally don't want a ticket because you know so you forgot tax officer and them fools there. So you gotta tell a man say, officer, if I go and give you 3 grand, all this and go on. I think him do that 15 times for the night.
Him rich. Him get more money than anything.
Him a get him. Remember if a police officer them can go up on the road there. And hustle them month pay in a week.
In a week. Plus get them month pay at the end of the month.
Yeah. Them are going to keep on do it and turn. Sometimes them turn a blind eye to some care we actually have. People are going to do something because, as I say, come back to the system. Police, doctor, lawyer, teacher, firefighter. Them people in the country where actually they feel a part of the structure. Them forget enough money. For you know, say them try them best to be lawful. Remember saying the NID doctor with teeth out or some medical stuff, but just now go so. You see me?
Yeah, I say a question. You know see in your prison with Andrew Bill?
Yeah.
May I ask you, no see it?
I saw it.
Alright. So
from the man be like,
what I know?
I bought one them take and bill in the grill sign.
What I know? Look on the fucker. When I think I talk about hold on there. But that's what I say. Look on the fucker now, see? Look, the man them have money for build prison and
yes,
thing and
Mystic,
this.
I remember.
Remember, you know, long time I'm going to give them a piece of food to build a prison. See? Look, Panny, how long Portmore need a hospital?
Long time. We're still saying it in 2023.
Look how many places in Jamaica now have running water. In a 2023.
But where the joke though?
We have money to build bomb buckler prison for lock up, man.
Where the joke?
Why you don't send some of them prisoners that go put them to use? You do crime. You ever hear about hard labor? Get some security guard or go hire marksman. Make man walk. Bit over them with gun, make sure say work done.
No, but you the
I
joke.
saw you punish boy.
But the joke. Some man that glad for go do work every day. That each up that they sell every. Remember, if they are prison and work because they do pay them, but them pay disgusting. No.
Look at 2 pence going in your account, man.
Them give them whatever, yeah.
Look at 2 pence.
So when them leave prison, them have something. But the point is this, yeah. If they are jail for 5 years, yeah, and work hard, every prisoner have to do them work, yeah. Every man want to sign because the man want to stay in the jail.
Yeah, but
they rather come out go work for 12 hours
and go back
in and sleep and go again like a date. Remember, I said it's going on time America, you know.
Well, I know. You don't have a 3 week, you work hard, you mash up, you know. And go
but at the same time.
I saw you work them hard. Because remember, you know, it's a punishment, you know.
Brother, the man that would take out a door and work, then I sell I look with 8-7 nigga.
A liar bumbuckler tell you have some workless.
Well,
there
you have some workless careless man we don't mind sleep 12 hours a day and wake up when you look at food ready
and go back to sleep.
And go shit and go back to sleep.
Well, some of them
that's some, but I mean
majority of prison, all the man of upon life, them we do
them will forward
the life as them we do it. As I say, obviously I have a police, but then we do it because in the idea it does help them situation when they want to get early release as well. Not the life as them always seen it.
You know, I mean, early just put this into law and say, yes, like all Jamaican like foreign things. Cause watch you know, we buy everything from foreign now. We buy all mango and them fuck with it. So you see, like here what them do now.
Right?
Here what them for do now. Them for do like so now. Build one little government farm then.
But
then
them
again, over there go dig yam and them fuckery and go plant banana.
Hold on, let me ask one question.
Yeah, free labor.
Because it look like say my brain just forward up to the country. So you're saying that all this time we have our prisons in Jamaica, there's no hard labor work such as this, or not because
nobody got prison for hard labor.
But I think we used to have that.
Most them go do. They go chop cemetery.
Cemetery.
How much cemetery want chop? Yes, so dove cat well kept.
But me can ask my question. So you're saying that this has changed from what we kill for a time, so only cemetery alone. So there's no hard labor
because the government work list
programs.
Remember, I know. You see the thing with it. You see if the government use prisoner, the money they get for them paycheck or whatever. The rest have to go to somewhere. Them cannot keep it. So in order for them keep it, they employ regular people and then tax them back and claim say them. Remember, the man work on the road now.
The government system.
Them give them meal a day and it's like a joke, bro. You see the thing with it here. it all come out to the government. As I say, you can build a prison for much million. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you can't take a million there and just refurbish schools.
Yes, you can.
No, they won't.
Oh, they won't. I thought you said you can't.
I personally speak,
Right.
they won't. But the thing, I look on Portmore. From there, Jamaica, they say September, Portmore will officially be a parish.
A parish.
It cannot be a parish at the hospital.
True.
But Portmore, it don't make sense to be a parish.
No, the way them say it, the way Portmore is now, it have everything it needs in there
Except
a hospital.
But as I say, like certain thing the government needs to implement.
So
like,
they must say the 15% want to make. I know it can't call what them, as I say, them
why
not
you
do it.
why you spend money to make it a fucking parish than invest to get a hospital or something?
No, so that may I say, if
Like-
you put hospital,
Remember what
it's not money to change.
Hold
it,
on,
you know.
hold on.
now.
One at a time.
What day them go back to IMF seeing? Remember them they have a loan.
And them in debt
So no them they have a loan from IMF seeing.
from long time, yeah.
So them borrow a loan for pay off their loan there.
Yeah.
One exclude.
One next one.
So that them go on. So the money with them borrow. So let me tell you what happened. So them get a loan pan with a cheaper APR.
APR,
then.
yeah.
You see me? So them say rascal this a government, but it kind of smart of them do, you know. So them borrow a piece of money
And
there
pay
and
it
pay
a
off
lower.
that one there, so the APR kind of disappear and pay the lower APR. You see me? So them do that so them have a better threshold. Cause remember, I was another boy them they say who pitney over and that.
That man there, I don't remember his name, but yeah, that man there.
Yeah, but the man with the say so, fuck you are going to car. For me, never borrow no money from anybody, you know. And let me tell you this now. You see, wanna borrow and do, you know nothing for the with it. Cause you see, me feel like say everything what doing, especially in my community, me can talk for. Me feel like say people them in the pay feature. Look at road way up there. Tax supposed to cover that. Cause you want now. God bless me. A 30 whole heap. And at one time, I said that road they fixing a master.
In all your 20 will leave
Bro,
years.
yeah.
I saw why people love strike here and like the structure they make the country run, them strike and it just mess up the whole day and make people can't go to work and certain come lose money. Is it the whole of Jamaica with them like all of town and working class, you know what? Just wall out and just pack up some food for early and pinch it till up for a month.
Them drive.
What do you mean?
You use one next area because uptown people them drive.
No, you're not hearing me I say. All the business owned by uptown people. If
That's
if
what
there's
you
no
mean.
one there to work,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they have to
Oh,
come
yes.
work themselves.
Yeah,
They ain't gonna do that shit.
Okay.
Me
I
not
understand.
lie still no. In a Jamaica history, and from Jamaica, a two sector me know strike.
What? Taxi?
Water commission and taxi man. You ever hear JPS go on strike yet?
What day?
When?
They never strike what day?
JPS strike your bum buckler.
I'm
Alright,
almost sure
alright,
JPS
alright,
strike already.
And Cheetah
Hold
strike.
on,
T-
hold on,
T-
hold
yeah,
on,
teachers
hold on.
strike.
Let me
Yeah.
say this here. My boy said Jamaica would always not it. You know why? Every country, you know, run in a debt.
Gangali.
America debt is disgusting. England is. But guess what? You have to run in a debt to make money. It's just
hold on,
fucked up.
No.
Everybody owes somebody.
Press, hold on. Let me tell you why it fucked up. Because all the fuck you can say you're a sovereign state, see? Yeah, Jamaica love everything with foreign do, you
Yeah,
know.
as them
See?
sneeze.
But hold on, no. What the rest
catch
you ever
cold.
follow freedom, mentality or freedom, business idea over in them country. Remember England print their money, America print their money. So no matter how much debt America in them can print money to buy bomb buckler things, but here we are going now. We
that's
have,
illegal.
borrow.
we have to send come at
Come
England.
borrow.
We have a PS money for making money. For printing and send come give it. So what sense that make? Why them never invest in an infrastructure down there for print money? I saw not trust on one another say if we have one meet down at Jamaica, like the man them we are work meet so print the money and team
Yeah.
it
I
right.
don't-
No. What's the if you print too much money, it does fuck up the thing as well.
It can
I don't think the government
it can
has.
dissolve.
no, it can devalue your thing,
Yes.
but hold on now. When it come on to certain little thing where you have because watch here now. Look for America them and England. Remember all of these currencies, fiat currencies, seeing? These money ain't backed up by nothing. Remember once upon a time they usually back the money by gold. Now we backed up by nothing. It come like it just backed up by more say, me repay my debt.
And that's it.
Seeing? When them want them money a print right through them say turn on the machine them brrrr,
But
money a print.
the problem with this is the government has them always I say, oh, this is manifesto, this is the plan. I don't think they have a proper plan. They don't have the people of Jamaica on their mind and
I was
to
gonna say that.
develop the country business wise. or none of that is on the forefront of their mind. I think they're thinking about things that are unnecessary at this point in time.
What me say is this. Me no mind you bring in the Chinese, the Japanese, any knees, and Russianese, or whatever you want to call them, in your country. But while them do things for your country, because you give and take, you know. Wherever them give you, and them take, you make sure so you still get from both sides. And you alright, say it, £100.
Yeah.
If you want packet 50 or 60, put the 40 in the country. Then packet 60 and get the country 10.
Yeah. And then share up the 30.
What the next 30 guys?
Yeah. And this is the next thing what we need to look into. Someone will say, you see, the government of Jamaica, they always align themselves with like the western side, the America, England, them. You know, make you look at nothing at Jamaica, no infrastructure and say, America can't just come build down there. You see, as bad as the Chinese them be, we work with them, you know. Because you see any idea, we can find a whole thing down at Jamaica and say,
and them build it.
Them build that blood clot. I don't know the 100 idea where we sell them or we swap feed.
Or how we forward out.
But you see, America them come down there and talk something. True, they know, say, they man are so licky and fuck up. Then just give them money in a lump sum because them say, yeah man, then licky them.
Because them know.
Yes, and them not pay attention
before the money
to the
go
fine
to the people. No, not even fine print. Them know say before the money go to the people. This time man I get it.
You don't share already.
Him thief 20%. By Prime Minister get him thief for next 10. So by country get it. It done not that. The work start and them say money done. And then by now, them read the budget and say, alright, come like say I build one house and go to the bill and say, him say, boy, this all cost 20 grand, you know. The next year I see 20 grand, you know. Then
forward back and say,
then
you tell labor at them.
Yeah, he was quarter away in and them say, boy, money done, you know. It was our next 10. You give me next 10, seeing that town and the house, they about halfway now. So you say, bumbo clap, me now rest of money in it, me broke. So you left with a half-finished house and you're in a debt. You get what me I say?
You don't get what you want. But it's a very sad situation that is currently happening, and I just wish the government would forward up with plans and put them in place to better the country and stop do a bag of talking and do some action.
Bro, you see,
that's what I wish.
About Portia this while, Portia said some things.
Read the comment before you go on to Portia.
I couldn't answer his item.
And him is Gangali.
Yeah, Gangali said, give me Cameron, they want the prison, and Portia said no, yeah?
Yeah.
And the next thing, when they want to put the people from over here, Portia said, yo, if I left the country in 5 years, I got jail, like reported, you can't come back because why you want to send a criminal come back in my country, come mash it up?
Right.
You know, she said them something there. All of a sudden, Portia lose her seat. Like, all of a sudden, PNP just get go over the sun. Because what is there? Anybody will stand up for certain things, the other side are going to say, yo, something else. And then the same people may have ball,
yeah.
I go vote out the people may have try. But mind if you make change, you know, you have to have cuts. So if, for instance, Portia you want, or anybody, they want to do something here, and America say, yo, you're here, but you know, nobody can get fired, you know. And for sudden the whole country go vote against because they want to get fired. And then the same man come ball and say, boy, the country is a country that, brother, the government is taking all the money and it's getting worse and worse.
But me ask them this, and when me talk this, me mean very seriously. I would ever take it in consideration and say, the percentage of people in Jamaica who is illiterate to certain things where it's really going on in the country. Because just based on a couple of little YouTubers, when them going and street go ask some regular man some question, based on them answer, you say, bumbo clat, so much idiot did they in Jamaica. Have you ever take that into consideration to say, yo, when the politician them come on TV or announce something and use some big words, one day if everybody grasp what they're saying.
That's what
about 60 or 70%.
That's what twins that
them just say, yay!
Twins say, yo.
Guys sound good.
When the man read the budget and pull him eyeglass, all them ear, free
curry goat
and finger 8 quarters and say, yeah! Because you know why? Because they manipulate people with big words. They say, no, it's not that as bad because once you say certain words, a man just Google it and do a video about it. And it's the
young people them know is more savvy in terms of
so if I say a word them understand
their education
they will go and Google that shit and say that you say.
But can I respond to that? I wouldn't say what you say illiterate. I mean, we have to think about the age group as well.
No.
Hold on, no, man.
Me not say all of them. Me say a percentage are good.
The worst
chunk
one,
of percentage.
the worst
Yes,
one.
but what can hold on, no?
Yeah.
What is the age group of those people?
More say from about 37.
No, me not agree with that.
Yo, listen.
I don't agree with that.
Me not agree.
Hold on, no, man.
From 37 go up.
Jagan.
I don't
What
agree.
age group you that agree with?
Like the elderly people.
Yo.
But I say from 37.
Yo.
What year now?
Well,
Would
Hold
they include the third? But this, but this is my opinion.
That's
you can't
your
tell me
opinion.
that my opinion is wrong.
Yeah.
I would not agree that the
Me agree with that,
37s them are the illiterate ones. Like not everybody
More
would have
that-
got. Me
Yeah,
can
go
get a
ahead.
response, please,
Yeah.
sir. Thanks. Not everybody would have had a formal education, and I'm not saying the internet is out there when you can go and learn information, but people's interpretation to things or to questions, sometimes when they know that the questions are posed differently as trick questions. So it's how they interpret the questions and give their answers.
Well, me see one.
That's
Ask somebody
Jagan.
like a sensible question in Jamaica. Like, all right,
what would you consider a sensible question?
a sensible question like, what do you think about the economy in Jamaica right now? Just ask. If you go around Jamaica, ask it, see?
ask that general question.
Ask a
okay.
general question
Yes.
of that. See? I hear much bumbo class smarty down there who's 30 and older can give you a sensible answer.
Because-
Remember, you know,
And
remember, say 37 years ago, see?
Yes.
Most of Jamaica, if 98% of Jamaica didn't have no form of connection to the internet.
They just
See?
go the way you say.
So, and what would you consider as a
And-
sensible response?
What would I say? Then would I have to look who I go and down the answer, yo, you know. Right now, depends your circumstances are yours to way, you know, you just say, yo, the economy is bad or is good because such and such. If you're a taxi operator, seeing, you know, say inflation now is crazy all over the world. Seeing, say your 3 grand we used to give your boss or your 3-5, you say, boy, the 3-5 hard to give the boss now and what you make, you're gonna make 1-2 grand and the half of that. You say, yo, one time I could have gone to the supermarket with the 2 grand and I can't buy bread and this and that, you can't buy no more.
Okay.
Blah, 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 economy is bad.
So
Right.
basically,
Most of them, when I use them word, most of them don't even know what the fucking word
all right.
economy means.
So basically,
But
Jagan,
then again, hold on. Let me ask one question in response to that.
Yeah.
If you know that a certain percentage of the population, let me use that for want of a better expression, might not be able to interpret certain phrases or certain words in a question, would you not then use words that they can identify? Because maybe Breds, you use the word economy in a sentence. Breds can't understand it, but you use a different word for explain the economy, and he can give an explanation. So it's down to like being sensitive to people's backgrounds.
That's why I'm saying to you, street smart and like sensible is different. So you see politician, when them come on TV, which politician you know come on TV and say, boy, the country mash up, you know.
Them not say it that way, but they use different expressions for people to understand.
Hold on. Every politician, when they're talking, though them compose themselves
Yes.
and use the big nice word them.
Not
was
all the
some of-
time.
Most of the time. The big nice word them was some of the time, I say, what you mean again, man? Remember when I time, you know, the whole of Jamaica, when them just know what cannot recall mean, when Bruce Golding, when them do it like hard,
KD Knight.
yeah. Remember, you know, them everybody I use cannot recall cause them say blood clot that word they didn't mean. So me assure you say a lot of time when these politicians make this big speech and they talk this big elaborate talk and say,
them do it on purpose.
me a this and that, and everybody say, yay! But them not really grasp what go on because you know. You see how Richard Curry or what name? Little Maroon man.
Richard Curry.
Yeah.
Yes.
And remember the little minor writer, whole pa people don't understand the effect what that would have on them day-to-day life and Jamaica's, because you know, you see in a woman forward from in a Panton, you see backside and them mine in there. You know,
Yeah.
anywhere else in a first, second world country what me know about, where me see, anytime them mine out certain place and dig out some hole,
Yeah.
them have to cover it back. Them have to make how much blood clot place in a Panton. If you are in a bush, you will drop down in a some hole and dead. Them just dig out here and left it so. All the government of Jamaica can make somebody just fuck up a land like that
And leave it
left
like
it
that.
unsafe for people. All right. Look when I drive go Spanish Town, scene. You know, so don't they say stop work years ago. But don't they say them still have the blood clot, we call it the acid water down there.
Yeah, flow.
And that out down there for years upon top of years upon top of years. Nobody held accountable for none of this scene. How much time you see them throw chemical in a little
Only
river,
for time,
a
and
flat
kill
bridge,
off
and
the fish.
you see dead fish and
Yes.
NWC come and say we're running an investigation and the culprit gonna
And you hear nothing else
Alright.
after
because
that.
here one now,
You
the
hear
man
nothing
when
else.
the company would do it, all him do run $100,000 in a one man hand, and you know that's it.
And
That
it goes.
All right. So when you're going to say about the street mat and that, yeah, you have to look at that way. It's just like any country, you have some people where go school, but them not go school. Yeah?
Right.
And you have some people who go school. You see the part where the finance of the country, see people who go shopping weekly and monthly, and people work,
Yes.
them we more understand it because we say, they must see the outcome of what they must pay for and get. You see where they
Facts,
miss one thing, yeah? And a man show up. This is not a trick question. A picture Andrew Holness. And guess what the man them says Andrew Holness?
What?
Barack Obama, the man say. The man say, sure. May I try to find the video and show that?
yeah, me know. Me think me say that way.
This
but
is all. This is the stupidity alone. You're in our country, even if you're dunce, whatever, you have to know your prime minister, dad.
Yeah, that's
Regardless,
that's one of the things you
him
should
get
do.
cost the most. And secondly, with the wording, Andrew only say, basically what him do now, yeah, he might use the slang word them.
Yeah, that is what he appeals to the younger people.
No, but that's what I'm trying to say. So
That-
now
that's his
Andrew is
tactic.
there. Him talk half of the uptown language, or they want make you understand it as a downtowner.
He does.
Rather man them something. And people say, blood clock. But my must wear clocks. No one is to wear clocks in Parliament like
Yeah.
that. Because he might try to appeal. It was also my younger version to
To the other
He
prime
might try to
ministers.
appeal to get them voters there. And when him win, everybody suffer. See, all of the person work with the artists them and say them a build era for artists and partner Jamaica.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, the man them locked them.
Alright, guys, 4 minutes been on the topic, yeah.
Yeah,
them
I know.
lock down everything where ghetto man can just make lot of money from.
Yeah.
When parties keep, see, the man say rigs on the man there. The things they not money, you know. Can they got 4 or 5 dance with night, you know.
And they know how to budget their money as well.
Yeah, lock down stuff for people, yeah. And you say, yeah, if Jamaica is a place like IB to them place, there is a party capital, yeah. Why, you know, if you say every town or parish will have the most party area, them, have a party central, yeah.
Yeah.
A strip where you know say does. You have to
Strictly
depend on a
party.
strip there. If you come
Yeah.
for the strip there, God go with you.
Yeah.
When you apply for a permit, you have to 2 different permits in Jamaica, yeah? 1 year them show say a 44 million one of them alone make half a permit in Jamaica alone.
44 million.
Million. Not US,
And
obviously.
that's one one company.
No, that's when them the JPEG and what
Yeah.
the department them,
Yeah,
whichever
yeah.
one it was there, make 44 million off of events at Jamaica. You have to apply for your permit. Even if you get it and you get cut short, but you
Yeah.
apply for it. So you are literally keeping a legal party. It's a legal party, you know. You have to apply for the 2 of them and get this. And when police go, are you sure police a letter? Them still lock you up. If them like, if you not the links.
Yeah.
So if them get to you to try to keep a party for make money from, get the people make money, yeah, and get people enjoy themselves, and yeah, cut that. So money to come a party and take out them anger upon party and show off. What do they take it upon?
Yeah.
They have a thing one time when them do the car thing where a man can go up on a computer and order a car for you and you're good. Him and the broker. They make sure so you can't do it no more. You have to go through feed them channel.
People.
And you got to pay more. So them look side man they were like a look also with no education what them understand what them for do.
Yeah.
Them can't do it.
But I think
So-
the bridge needs to be gapped. Both sides can learn from each other.
In
We
terms
need
of
to
that-
wrap up. I'm
Yeah,
very
yeah.
conscious
But
of the
wrap up
time.
this quick now. In terms of we just talk about the broker and the Jamaica. In terms of the shipment thing,
Yeah.
we don't see how the government make it hard for Jamaicans. See, if you as a returning resident, see, you come a foreign and you say, all right, me buy you one car and me send go to my brother and me carry one
About
car
2
down there.
times carry that.
Or me carry one phone. You see how they make it hard
Very, very hard.
for you as a foreigner care anything down there. Why is that? And them think there's guy in a sense is a form of development of the country because once you have transportation,
The money
you,
goes
you,
back
you,
in.
what you call it? You can do business from far range. You can live at Ochi and work at Kingston. Or you can live at Mobile
You know
and work
why?
at Ochi.
You know why?
So why they make them things so hard?
You know
Just
why?
like as you come at Jamaica scene and you can one phone or 2 piece of garments and thing. them want harass you at airport and them want to let you pay for them. Why?
You know why?
How me never see that when
No,
me come over here?
you know
You
why?
can't carry anything over here.
And no problem at
They
all.
not getting a problem. Them just say if a certain forbidden fruit you have to declare
Yeah.
or food. You see me?
You know why
They
that
not getting
is?
a problem and they not have to pay for it. America same thing. Why the bomb buckler in Jamaica? Them have to make
It's a
things
system,
up.
No, you
bro.
know why? You know
It's
why?
a system.
When you bring them 3 car Jamaica, yeah? How go driver carry them? Just answer the question. How go
It
driver?
don't really matter.
No,
You sell them.
No,
Your
listen,
family
man.
member. It
Listen,
don't really
alright.
matter.
A family member.
Yeah.
They're unemployed. They might have a job. If they bring a car and come get them uptown for them people, you're good. This is the point me I try to make. Every chance you get to get to it a chance to better himself, then find a way eventually to make you cannot do it. Because as I say, if you say yo, you have $1 billion now, £1 billion. I say I got Jamaica help every get to youth, you're probably dead. Everything from over here. Because the whole point is there, if you in the ghetto, say you get $1 billion, they say, and you build up every ghetto with house and
Alright guys, we have to wrap up now. See you.
I make every ghetto have a better house and get them on make some factory, make some company come back to Jamaica and get it in a factory.
Yeah.
The government now go look and say, the more man work, the more tax they pay. They look and say, blood clot, we get it a chance to make themselves alive.
That is it.
Because the more them oppress you, the more you need from them.
That's true.